Okay, we'll study something called as a triangle inequality now. Okay, just pay attention because it's very, very basic and it's very, very important. And not many people have shared the proof for this, but we are doing it for you guys. So let's just delve into it. What I do is I have a line segment having length A and dusra line segment having length B. Okay, where they meet, I'm dropping a perpendicular here. Okay, and अब मैंने क्या किया, जो भी end points है ना इनका, I'm making the end points meet the perpendicular here like this. Okay. Okay. Guys, what do I observe? If I call these two sides P and Q, if you have a right angle triangle, okay, we'll discuss this in detail types of triangles anyway. Okay, thoda der mein. But if you observe, this is a right angle triangle. And guys, for a right angle triangle, the side opposite to 90 degrees, it is the largest side. Okay. So P will definitely be greater than A, we can say, right? Same way, guys, Q can also be greater than P in this case, right? Okay, when we add the two equations, you will have P plus Q is greater than A plus B. Okay, and if you observe, guys, we have a triangle being formed, triangle XYZ, right? P kya hai? Side XY of the triangle. Q kya hai? Side XZ of the triangle. XY plus XZ is greater than YZ, right? This tells us what, guys? For a triangle, the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. Okay, this is the proof. And this is called as the triangle inequality. Okay. The second reason, the second derivative of the triangle inequality is, guys, देखो, P जो है, okay, P is greater than A, right? Right? And Q is definitely greater than B, right? So basically, we take the difference of P and Q here. Okay, P minus Q का अगर हम difference लेंगे यहाँ पे, then it will definitely be lesser than A plus B, right? देखो, P individually A से सिर्फ बड़ा है, right? Right? Okay, but if it is a difference with Q, it will definitely be less than the sum of A and B, right? Because A and B will be a much larger value, isn't it? So that is the second part of your triangle inequality. It says the difference of two sides is always lesser than the third side in this case, right? So we can remember this as such, the two derivations, okay, for the triangle inequality, the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side and the difference of two sides is always lesser than the third side.